This is a short tutorial to help you perform basic image editing tasks using GIMP software. For your practice task, we'll be enhancing the lighthouse image. So make sure you download the lighthouse image and open the image in the GIMP environment. I'll be doing a quick demonstration of GIMP software using some of the tools needed to enhance the lighthouse image. So we'll see how to use the white balance and the auto color enhance with the lighthouse image. So first we're going to increase the brightness of the image. So first you need to go to the Colors menu and go to Auto. Then you select White Balance. As you see, this has improved the brightness. Look how bright the image is. Now for the second one, we're going to enhance all the other colours within the image. Again, we'll go to Colors, Auto, Colour Enhance. So this has increased all the other colours within the image as well. Part 2 of the task is to rotate and crop the image. So to do this, we're going to go to Tools, Transform Tools, and click Rotate Tools. So Tools, Transform Tools, and Rotate Tools. The keyboard shortcut for this is Shift and R. So now we click on the image, and we can click left and right. And it rotates the image to how we like it. So for this we're going to move the horizon to make it more horizontal than it was in the original photo. About there should do it. Notice my angle of rotation is minus 3.56 degrees, so you can adjust this as well manually, and it's just telling the computer pixels where to be in relation to where they were in the original image. So this is just a mathematical operator. That there looks about right. Once we're happy with it, we select the image and we press enter. And there we go. I think that looks okay. So the next tool we're going to use is the crop tool. So this is similar to the crop tool in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Go to the top here, crop tool, and we're going to select an area that now doesn't have the angled missing out. About right. So once we're happy with that, we press enter to save the changes, and now we've got the tools selected. So I want to keep this one. Once you're happy with the selection, make sure you press enter. Now whatever part of the image you've selected has been saved. So part 3 of the image editing task is to remove the unwanted objects. So in order to remove the pieces of wire in the sand, we'll use the clone tool. Here's the clone tool up here. Select this, and for this we need to zoom in. So we can use the magnifying glass here, and we can adjust the zoom level to zoom in into an area that we want. Let's use this area first. We go back to the clone tool. So for this you can select the area that you want to clone, and you use the control key and you click to set your source, and then you'll begin painting, and it will take the image source from where you started and it will clone it. If you go back, you can do different areas. If you keep the mouse button held down, it will copy the different areas as the clone brush moves in relation to your button. So take time with this, and you can adjust the size of the clone brush. You can make it smaller, about 15 is probably okay. Makes it a little bit more detailed and covers up less of the original beach. You can change where your source comes from. Different areas of the beach have slightly different shades. It's okay. And then we can experiment using different areas and different sizes of the brushes. So we can go to 45 now. Control to select the area we want, and then this covers a larger area. The problem is we have 3 stones here that look exactly the same. Probably want to get rid of one of them. smaller for this last section. Select this area of the beach. All important to think about the area that you're taking the source from and how it's represented in your image. There we are. That looks alright. To zoom out, we're going to click the control key, use the mouse wheel just to move back, and just notice we've got a last little bit of detail to take. So we'll finish this off here. Control click to select our source. And we'll retouch this using lots of little clicks from the original clone source. That should get most of it. So zoom out. Hold control, use the mouse scroll. And there we go. So we should have our image looking as we want it. So you're happy with the picture now? So this is your clear picture with improved brightness, the wires have been removed and the colour's been enhanced. So we've cropped the image to focus on our subject, which was the lighthouse. And the final part of your image task is to export your file with a suitable name. So export it as lighthouse correct or any suitable file name would do. So to do this, you need to go to the File menu and you need to go Export As. So for this, we're going to save it as a new image, Lighthouse New. I'm going to go to the resource files and I'm going to save it in a folder that I've called Edited Files. And we're going to export. And that should have saved our file as the default value.